How's it going? I just want to have a quick conversation with some people real quick. So today I want to talk about bees. Everyone, I keep seeing these damn things on the internet. The bees are going extinct. We're killing the bees. The bees aren't dying. That's just not true. Oh shit. But yeah, the bees aren't dying. So it all started years ago. I think it's 2010. Huffington Post released an article saying, you know, what's happening to the bees, and you click on it, and this is back when people clicked on articles and didn't just read the title. Whew. So you click on it, and the first, in its own little paragraph deal in bold letters, the first thing it says is, the bees are dying. And then it gives you a paragraph about, you know, why it's important to save the bees and stuff, and then the rest of the article drones on about the bees. But I guess a lot of people didn't get to that point where it actually gave the facts and everything. Let me back up for a sec. The bees aren't dying. It's kind of silly to think you can make an insect go extinct. In fact, the only insect we've ever caused to go extinct was this huge grasshopper, and it lived along riverbanks. And I think it was the Mormons came in and they started plowing by the riverbanks, and they killed all their larvae and they died. That's one of the only insects to ever really go extinct by man. You can't, they have such fast mating habits and birth rates and everything that they mutate much faster than anything else and can adapt to just about anything. They adapt to our pollution and everything. But that's not even the point. The article about the bees, it's always the honeybees and the bumblebees are going extinct. The honeybees are going extinct. It's going to devastate our ecosystem. Honeybees aren't even native to America. They're not. They're not native to America. We brought them over, and we still bring them over. We brought them over to pollinate a bunch of crops and plants and stuff back when we were settling and when, you know, we started producing crops. And I mean, it's kind of absurd to say the honeybees, you know, we're killing the honeybees when they're not even native to America, which is strange. And yeah, we still ship them in. We ship them in by the truckloads. I mean, shed loads of these things in big hives, and we breed and mate them and everything. And they're not going extinct. In fact, the article that started all this bullshit, it was talking about a specific type of bee. I think it was 2 or 3 specific types of bees in Hawaii that were being taken out by pollution, cell phone, whatever, crosswinds from the ocean, a bunch of other bullshit that are pretty crucial to Hawaii and their flowers and everything, but doesn't affect us at all. And it's gotten so out of hand. I've seen things like, you know, Honey Nut Cheerios. They started, you know, oh, plant these bee-friendly flowers, and then a bunch of fucking liberals, you know, not liberals, but, you know, eco warriors got out there saying, don't plant these seeds, that, you know, they're not good for the honeybees. Nothing's good for the honeybees. The shit we plant is good for the honeybees, and the honeybees we bring in are good for the honeybees. Yeah, honeybees aren't going extinct. That's the main point of this. And again, you know, read articles, don't just scroll past them. This whole thing's blown way out of proportion. You can't make a bug go extinct. There are rare occasions like the grasshopper and some big ass cicadas that lay eggs and take like years to hatch and stuff. But yeah, honeybees not going extinct. The bees are not in trouble. Wouldn't worry about it. In fact, they're growing in numbers. I tell you the source for that, but I've actually forgotten. I think I'm actually just going off my bio textbook right now. Anyway, yeah. Bees aren't going extinct. Don't worry about it. Stop bitching about it online. Do like baseline research. You know, the minimum amount of research. In fact, what's funny is Huffington Post 2016 promptly, they did this in 2010 too, but they did it again in 2016. Promptly posted an article saying, you know, the honeybees aren't dying. You know, like, that's not what we meant. You guys didn't read the article, but in fact, they even had a shot saying, you know, you've read about the honeybees, you probably didn't read the full article. They had a little shot in the beginning there. Yeah, honeybees aren't dying, don't worry about it. Bees are fine.